All right, ladies and gentlemen, quick video here. This right here is my Tornador Classic. This is the 0Z10. And here's my black Tornador. Just got this out the mail. The 0Z20. Just a quick video. I thought about when I purchased this one, I will get rid of this one. But no, this right here don't have the power as this one. So this right here is for light duty. Keep it. And always keep that certain type of chemical in here. And then this one with more power, I would have for heavy duty. So I believe I keep both and planning on buying 2 more. One of each for bag up. The Tornador. You gotta love them. Pretty work detailing, oh my goodness.